Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I prepare this to cut and press on two shirts. This part here is for the mother, and this part down here is for the daughter. So this is 11 inch and this is 9 inch. And before I continue, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Here on this channel, I do sublimation, silhouette studio, I teach, and SVG, and I work more in silhouette studio and in Inkscape. So I teach these three things and other things that you can learn to make passive income. But for now, we are on this side. So I will show you how I do this. Actually, I wrote down these words and then I measure them. Okay, I have understood that I can print both on one piece of vinyl, like on a 12 by 12 inch vinyl. That's what I'm going to do, and after that I'll cut it out and then press them on the shirts. Okay, with vinyl like HTV, heat transfer vinyl, you always need to flip your design horizontally. Right now it's like this. I select both, I right click, and I flip them horizontally. Okay, I flip it like this, and then I'm gonna send it to my machine, and here I will just choose this right here. This is just my settings. 4 for the force, speed 5, cut blade 4, force 16, speed 5, and pass is 1. And my machine is not on right now, but this is my setting that I use. Poui smooth vinyl, I created myself, and it cuts for me really well with the auto blade. So I'm going to cut this, and you will see how I do it. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Be here for the next part. Thank you. I'm cutting out the vinyl, cutting out really fast. Hello, hi, welcome really quick to this video. I am going to press two shirts with HTV, like black HTV. I have this shirt here, and I'm going to press black HTV on it. First, I'm going to lay it down here, and I'm going to press the air out. Press the air out really quick, like for a few seconds, and then I'm going to press the design on it. Okay, I think it's good. It's very smooth already. Let me get the design. The design is this: love, live, Mary Kate. Okay, it's a V-neck shirt. It's a V-neck shirt. So I'm going to use my hand to measure how far I need to place this. I'm going to put 2 fingers and then put it here on the chest. Eyeball it a little bit to see where it should be. I think it's in the right place. Okay, and then I'm going to put back the paper on top of it, and I'm gonna press it for 15 seconds all the way. 15 seconds and it will be done. And I'll press one more, and then I will be done. I love pressing these shirts. Okay. I'll give it one more because I want the HTV to sink into the shirt, like sink into the lines of the shirt. Okay, I think it's good. And I'm gonna peel it. Oh, I think I burnt it. Let me peel it from this side. I think I have to give it one more press. I'll do it one more time. I'll press it one more time. Okay, I think it's good now. Okay, so this is the shirt I've been pressing. Long live Mary Kay. And I just wrote this in Silhouette Studio, and I did the arrow, the heart is in there already, the triangle, the line, and this is also in there already. So you can put it together really quick. These designs, like these SVGs, we can put them together in there really quick. Okay, I'm going to press the next one. This is a bigger one, bigger size. I'm going to put it over here, and then I'm gonna, you know, like press the moisture out and the air. I'll press it for a few seconds also. And then I'll press this image on it. This is a bigger size, so hi Paula. Okay, now I'm going to apply the design on it, like 2 fingers under the V-neck. It's a V-neck shirt, so I'll place 2 fingers here, and then I'll put it like 2 fingers underneath it. Okay, I think I have it down, and then I'll put my paper over it, and then I'll press it. I think I should have used my pressing pillow. For the next time, I'll insert it. I'll insert my pressing pillow. It's still good to do. Yes. I think it will hold up really good. And I'll place my paper again. And I'll press it. It will go better. Like I've seen that crafting is like everybody has their own way to do it. Some things I don't have to use the pressing pillow, but for some projects I really need to use the pressing pillow, or it doesn't come out well. Okay. Let me turn this thing off before I burn myself. Okay. Okay. Okay, this was the second one. And get the pillow out of it. The second shirt. I love it, came out nice. So these are the 2 shirts I wanted to print really quick and show you. not press really quick. These are for a order bundle, like shirts, pants, and a tumbler. So that was it, and thank you for watching. And have a great evening. Thank you. Bye.